What's going on? There's gonna be some changes coming to this channel, and that's what I want to talk about today. I've been having a lot of fun this year making videos, but they've kind of been all over the place, and I want to get them a little more focused. So if you're watching this video, you probably already know that I'm all about cars. So that's going to be my main focus moving forward here. I'm trying to cover everything from basic door dings to bumper repair to welding, custom bodywork, and paint. And I want to show you how I do everything so you can do it for yourself on your own projects. We currently have a couple of cool projects between my roommates and I plan on showing all of that and showing the progress, so stay tuned for that. We're going to be doing some engine bay shaving and paint, turbo build, so that stuff should be pretty fun. But anyways, I'm gonna go. I just wanted to get things a little more focused around here. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.